The Pirelli Cinturato Winter 2 versus the Michelin Alpin 7, the Mid-European Winter Showdown. On one side, the proven Italian contender with sharp snow and wet credentials. On the other, Michelin's all-new Alpin 7, successor to the legendary Alpin 6, aiming to reset benchmark. Snow, wet and dry. Let's see who dominates in the winter roads of Europe. Throughout this comparison, the performance metrics are shown in percentages, with the Pirelli Cinturato Winter 2 set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from the Reifen Testers 2025 Winter Tire Test. In wet braking, Pirelli stops 0.4 meters shorter, a 1% edge. But Michelin strikes back in wet handling, scoring a subjective score of 7.7 against Pirelli's 7.4, a 1% advantage. In aquaplaning, both are nearly identical at around 89 km per hour, a 0% difference. Overall, Pirelli holds the tire braking edge, while Michelin delivers sharper handling and aquaplaning ends in a stalemate. In snow braking, Pirelli stops 0.1 meters shorter, essentially no difference. But in snow handling, Pirelli takes the upper hand with a 7.7 subjective score against Michelin's 7.1, a 3% advantage. For traction, Michelin strikes back with 2,512 newtons against Pirelli's 2,459 newton, about 2% better. Overall, Pirelli dominates handling, Michelin delivers stronger traction and braking is even. In dry braking, Michelin pulls up 0.3 meters shorter, a 1% edge. But Pirelli answers with slightly sharper handling, scoring 7.4 against Michelin's 7.3, a 1% advantage. Overall, Michelin holds the braking edge while Pirelli takes handling, leaving dry performance neck and neck. In interior noise, Michelin scores 8 against Pirelli 7.6, a 2% advantage. In comfort, Michelin again leads with 8 versus 7.7, a 1% edge. Overall, Michelin delivers a quieter and more comfortable ride. When it comes to rolling resistance, here Michelin makes a big statement with a coefficient value of 6.9 versus Pirelli's 8.1, giving Michelin a 17% edge in efficiency. That means lower fuel consumption and better mileage. When it comes to pricing, for the size 215/55R17, the Michelin is 11% more expensive than Pirelli. In summary, the Pirelli Cinturato Winter 2 delivers strong wet braking, sharper snow handling, and a friendlier price point. On the other hand, the Michelin Alpin 7 impresses with better wet handling, stronger snow traction, improved comfort, and outstanding rolling resistance for rear fuel savings.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.